All right. I was just going over the assignment and instructions for the first week, so let me pick up with that again. Okay, so every week I will ask you this one question for your attendance assignment. That is, what is one main idea you learned from today's lesson? I would just suggest writing maybe one or two paragraphs, no more than one page, to answer this question. You don't have to do much more than that. You don't have to send several pages of what you learned, but just a paragraph or two would be fine. And then if you want to do extra credits, write another paragraph or two to answer the second question, or these questions here, based on the primary text reading. Briefly summarize Jesus' story about the Pharisee and tax collector. What message did Jesus seek to teach through this story? How can you relate his teaching to your life? So that's based on the primary text, which this time is from the story in the Gospel of Luke about the Pharisee and tax collector. So every week I will give you one of these primary texts, and I think I'm going to always base the extra credit assignment on that primary text. All right, so please email your assignments to me in the next week or so, so I can give you credit for attendance for this week. So again, the way this works is I give you 2 points for attendance for doing the first part, but I'll give you an additional 3 points if you do the second part satisfactorily. All right, I'm fairly generous in my grading overall, but I do want to see that you are making some effort and that what you're writing is thoughtful, and you are responding to the actual lesson, and preferably you're writing this in your own words, not just copying from the notes. So hopefully you can do that and send your assignment to me. Again, if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Otherwise, I will see you next week. Take care.